Recently I made a big purchase at Cult of Athena, and it just arrived. Let's see what it is. Now first of all, for unboxing you need your handy dandy box opener. Let's do this more reasonably. There. There. I wonder what it could be. Oh, it's certainly heavy. Paper! Oh, just what I wanted. Wait, there's something inside. It's an invoice. Yes! Just what I wanted. Wait, there's something else in here too. It's got some plastic wrapped around it. Once again, the handy box cutter comes in handy. I'm not really too worried about cutting anything inside this package. You'll see why in a second. Here it comes. That's right. It's Chainmail. What we have here is an extremely heavy and smelly because of the oil. Chainmail Hauberk. Alright, check that out. You can see it's, whoa! Wonder if you can see. It's got tiny little rivets there. Light more. There's weave. It's kind of nice and dense. Things are somewhat small, a little thin, but I think that's okay. Now that I'm out of breath from really having lifted it, I'm going to now put on my gambeson, see how it fits. Well, unlike my other mail shirt, there's definitely a front side and a back side, so that'll be handy. Trying to figure out which way it goes, because the shoulder plates that I have for it can only go in one direction. Won't work very well. Oh, it's heavy. Right, here I go. Oh, my hair. Right, well, that actually went on fairly well. Right, as you can see, it goes all the way down. It's very handy since the habanyon I have only goes down about 3/4 of the way. Let's see, it goes just past the knee, which is handy as well because habanyon I have already only goes about 5 inches above the knee. Yeah. Now try putting on a belt, see how good the weight distribution is. Alright, so I've applied the belt, got it, a lot of the weight being supported by my hips, a lot less weight on my shoulders now. Probably hike it up a little bit more. Now I'm noticing it no longer goes below the knees, but that's okay because I have greaves with kneecaps. Well, one of the first things I'm noticing is that it bunches up here in the shoulder. I try to raise my arm. I have to admit, I'm really liking the way this weave falls upon itself, becomes denser. Looks like there's a couple little rust spots. Well, one rust spot that I'm seeing. Not too bad. It looks pretty protective. Let's find out. And I don't recommend you do this next part at home. Going along with the theory that everybody needs their own battle axe, here's mine. Like I said, don't recommend you do this at home. Ow. Warhammer. Hammer end. As we know, it's not the greatest for protecting from blunt impact, but not too bad. Spiky end. Still pretty protective. I wouldn't want to have done that without the gambeson on. But seems to work okay. Don't really feel like stabbing myself to try to prove anything. Maybe we'll do some more stress testing without me in it at a later time. Alright, well I guess that's all I have for now. Stay happy, healthy, and don't forget your armor. I'm having a thought about movie makeup and the realism in medieval war movies. And a lot of the times you see people with crap on their face, and a lot of the time there's cannons going off and there's just a lot of dirt flying around, a lot of mud and stuff. And I'm thinking, you know, it's probably pretty accurate that those people's faces got pretty dirty. But now, I'm thinking most of that probably just came from their own armor.